How to share a Spotify on Facebook story with music. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do to share Spotify on Facebook story, you have to open any of the song that you want. So you can open any of the songs, and then what you have to do is you have to open any of the song in a Spotify, then click on the three dots in the top right corner, and when you click on this, then you have to scroll down, and then you can see the option of share. So you can see the third last option. You have to click on the share button, and you can see there is option of Facebook stories. So with Facebook icon, you have to click on this, and when you click on this, it is saying that it is processing. And now here you come to this page, and it is uh, directly opens in the Facebook app, and now you can customize it. You can add text, emojis, you can change the color. Now you can do this. You can also save this, and now after that you can click on the share button in the blue button, and now you can easily add to your story. So firstly, and then click on the OK, and now you have added to the story. So that's basically that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I